Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the HTML and CSS tutorial by PH and Technology Private Limited. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about the primary tags that are used to create a website and which are also very mandatory. So before going to the tags, there is a declaration. A declaration that is used by our document to tell the browser which version of language we are currently using. So we are going to use HTML5, that's right. So let's just start by seeing how does the declaration look like, okay. But before that, we are going to need some platform to code our website, right. So there are many platforms available like the online editors, but I would not prefer any online editor to create my website, okay. Then the second is the editors that are available. You can download them, which are Sublime Text, NetBeans, then the VS Code, Notepad++, anything. You can download any of these editors and they are free of cost, available on Google, and there are no methods, or you don't have to download any extra file for the running of HTML and CSS. So it's very easy. Now if you don't want to download any of these editors, you can always use the Notepad in your system. Yes, the Notepad in your system can act as an editor for the creation of your website. But just remember that while saving the file, you make sure that you save it as .html, and if it's a CSS file, make sure you save it as .css. Now this was all about the editor. We are going to use the Sublime Text. You can use any of the editor you want to, okay. So now this is my Sublime Text editor. Now I need to tell it that I am going to code in HTML. So here I am, HTML, and I have already created a new file, okay. So now the declaration looks like open wicket, exclamatory mark, doc type, HTML. Now this particular tag is for the declaration of HTML5, and this particular word HTML tells that this is the HTML5 version which we are going to use to code our website. So this is for HTML5. For HTML 4.01, this looks like this. The declaration looks like this. So it was that long. So even this was one of the upgrade of HTML5. Now this is the declaration. Now let's just go to the tags. The very first tag is the root tag of HTML. The root tag is HTML itself. So whatever be the content about the website, everything related to the website would come inside the HTML. Now when I say inside, don't you think that there would be a container like of thing inside here? So that's right. First let's just see the HTML tag, okay. Open wicket and this. Now the content of the website or everything related to the website will come inside the HTML. So the above tag is the opening tag, and now what I am putting is, that is the open wicket, the slash, and the tag name, and the close wicket is the closing tag. This type of tags are called as pair tags. Okay, we will come across a lot of pair tags. So this was the declaration and the root tag. In the next tutorial, we will see the main two tags which are used to upload the things about the website and inside the website. They act like the human body, just like we have a head and a body, just like that. So let's see in the next tutorial what are the other basic tags or the primary tags of HTML. Till then, keep exploring and keep coding. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.